Hey there, beautiful people. Ready to find out the perfect haircut to make your features pop? I've got you covered. Let's dive right in and discover which haircut suits your face shape best. First up, the diamond face shape. Think sharp jawline, pointed chin, and those killer cheekbones just like Jennifer Lopez. If you've got a diamond face, go for blunt layering or short, edgy styles. Avoid bobs, they'll accentuate the narrow forehead. Next, we have the round face shape. Full, rounded features with no protruding jawlines like Jessica Alba. For my round-faced beauties, wispy layers are your best friend. Steer clear of cuts that add volume around the cheeks. Let's keep that beautiful roundness in check. Square face shapes are next. Think forehead, cheekbones, and jawline all about the same width. Miranda Kerr is a perfect example. Softening layers are your go-to. Avoid straight cuts that make your features look even squarer. Now for the oblong face shape. If your face is longer with fuller cheeks like Angelina Jolie, you're in this category. Layers and waves will be your saviors, adding width to your face. Avoid long, straight styles that make your face look even longer. Heart-shaped faces, you've got wider foreheads and cheekbones, narrowing down to a pointed chin, just like Sarah Jessica Parker. Side-swept bangs are your secret weapon. Avoid styles that add volume at the crown. We don't want to accentuate that forehead too much. And finally, the oval face shape. Proportionate features, slightly longer than wide, rounded hairline. Beyoncé is your celebrity twin. Lucky you. Most styles look great on you, just avoid overly exaggerated bangs. Now here are some general tips for everyone. Focus on softening or enhancing specific facial features. Use styles that draw attention to the center of your face. And make sure to avoid styles that add volume where your face is already wide. Adding layers, waves, or curls can work wonders to soften your features. Also, don't forget to protect your hair during styling. A product like Force Field Heat Shield can help protect your locks from heat damage. Remember, the key is to embrace your unique features and experiment with different styles. Have fun with your look and celebrate what makes you you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me on social media for more tips and updates. You're just a haircut away from looking your absolute best. Catch you next time.